Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ashley. Thank you for hitting that play button. While you're at it, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you guys can get notifications for whenever I upload a video. I got in a few hours ago from my local Sephora and I picked up, and in this little Sephora bag is one of the newest Fenty Beauty lip paints, and I am so excited to share my thoughts, swatches, lip swatches, reviews on this newest lip paint. So Rihanna went on a rampage and that girl was dropping lip paint after lip paint after lip paint after lip paint. I believe she came up with 3 or 4 different shades, the newest one being a smooth black, which I'm very excited to see. So in Canada, I believe you can purchase these new lip paints online, but I believe they will be in store as of October 1st. Don't quote me, but that's what I was told in the actual store. And to be completely honest, the representative at Sephora did not even want to sell me the lip paint that I actually purchased because it wasn't even supposed to be on the shelves. But I told her, I'm like, honestly, sweetie, that's your mistake. So I'm buying it anyway, so thank you very much. And I went about my business and purchased it. So I am so excited to film today's video because I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing and unveiling of the new Fenty Beauty lip paint in Unveil. I am so excited to share with you guys. So if you want to see what my thoughts and my reviews are on the new Fenty Beauty lip paint in the shade Unveil, then just keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I will do a hand swatch as well as obviously like lip swatches so you guys can see. This is it right here, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Like, as soon as I saw it, I knew this was going to be a color that I really wanted because it reminds me so much of Kat Von D's Lolita, and as well as a little bit of the ABH sepia as well. It's kind of tight. Wow, this is nice. Like, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is a hand swatch right here. It looks so pigmented. It looks so nice. It looks so good. Then I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like on my lips, on my complexion, and all that good stuff. So the only thing I have on my lips right now is just a little bit of Vaseline just because it was dry. So typically what I like to do with the Fenty Beauty lip paints is, I actually saw on their IG story, so I typically like take all of it off. They mainly recommended doing that with the red one. I can't remember the name of it. Uncensored, I think it was. But I don't really typically have any issues when I'm wearing Uncensored in terms of it bleeding or smudging or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and apply Unveiled and see how it turns out. Wow. Wow, I absolutely love it. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys, this color is absolutely beautiful. Like, I am obsessed. Oh my gosh. Like, it blended on very nicely. I love the consistency. I never had any issues with the Fenty Beauty lip paints. This is so nice. This color, like, I'm obsessed. Like, I am absolutely obsessed with this color. It's definitely a thumbs up in my view. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the Fenty Beauty line, if you like this color, if you like this color on me. Personally, I think it looks amazing. It screams fall, it screams winter, and I'm just loving. This is like my typical go-to color, so I'm pleasantly surprised. And I do plan on trying to get my hands on the other shades. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna go with the black. I might, just cause, we'll see. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a really quick unboxing, sort of first review, first impression. And I have to say that I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. Rihanna, oh girl, you came out with another banger, so thank you. Thank you again so much for watching. I am currently having a giveaway on my channel, so if you want to enter that giveaway, the link will be down in the description box. Thank you again so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button, show this video some love, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.